when you hook this up to your machine, to your Avid, it will look and behave exactly as if you were hooked up to an HDSR. You'll be able to scroll back and forth on the time code. You'll be able to move, hit play, fast forward, rewind, type in a time code, punch directly to it, and you're there. It'll operate exactly like that, except you won't have to wait for the tape to spool up and all that kind of stuff.
It's like shuttling for a tape, except you're shuttling for the...
Exactly. We have it set up in a router exactly like an HDSR. So we have 5 assist bays that can do input and output to this through the routing system upstairs. So right now we've got it set up so 8 could run it, but we have another additional 20 editor stations where we could route those through the same way if we wanted to. We can create basically a master file format, whatever length we want. So we're also not using 124 and then an additional 64 because we've got an additional 2x that also need to be tagged on. But we'll have that on our master drive. As soon as we're done laying off to that, copy it over. The copy is what goes over to levels, and then that copy goes over to ADS, the duplication. Every step of the way, we'll bring it back when it's finished from levels. If we have picture fixes or we don't, we'll copy that back over onto our master drive, delete the original. That way we've got what's been mixed from levels. Again, as Jim says, if somebody hits the guy over the bus on the way out, we've got that backed up there. That goes out to ADS. They do the QC. We're constantly making duplications of that. And again, for a 2-hour show, it takes about 20 to maybe between 15 and 20 minutes of copying off from one SSD to another. You have more options than what you had with the HDSR, which was you popped in a tape and hit go. Like I said before, you can do 6-channel output, 10, 12, 24. All of those are open to you. And it's, as you said, who do you want to trust to create all those files? It becomes an archiving solution that you have to figure out. It's, who do you want to entrust with the drives? This was something that we came up with our 4 drives. How many do we have shuttling out back and forth? That becomes a new challenge of how you're going to handle the new media. But as far as whether this works with the machine and how it works, it's extremely simple.